Wall Street closed higher on Friday, so how did that lead into our local market this morning?
Lead-in has been pretty good, Tom. The ASX 200 is up about 0.7% in early trade. Wall Street finished higher on Friday on some positive jobs data from out of America. 1.8 million jobs were created in the States last month, which was better than expected. And that comes ahead of our own Australian Bureau of Statistics, reporting our labour force figures for the month of July later this week on Thursday. And the unemployment rate here is meant to tick up from 7.4% to 7.9% in July. But on the market today, it is profit reporting season is well and truly underway, and we've had an update from GPT Group this morning. Its profit is down dramatically. It's reported a loss of close to $500 million in the first half of its financial year. It has a large retail portfolio which was affected by COVID-19, reducing foot traffic and hence retail sales. And freight company Horizon has also reported its profits this morning. Full year profit up almost 30% to about $600 million. It says COVID-19 had no impact on its business, which moves coal and other bulk minerals from inland Australia to the coast for export. But today the market is up 0.7% in early trade, and the banks are the best performers today, up about 1.5%, Tom.
There'll be big focus as well on one of the banks reporting this week. CBA on Wednesday, of course, so much focus on what's going to happen around housing for the banks, of course, the moratorium on evictions and so on, forgiving loans, deferring interest on loans as well for home loans. What are we expecting?
Well, there's been a few analyst notes out this week on CBA, and the consensus is its profits are going to drop about 10% this full year. And the key thing to watch will be CBA's dividend. APRA recently told banks and financial insurance companies that it should pay out no more than 50% of their profits in dividends. So CBA last year, its final dividend was about $2.30. We can expect their final dividend this year to be around half that, probably around the dollar mark. But I've had a chat to AMP Capital Chief Economist Shane Oliver earlier, and this is his prediction for the profit reporting season, what we can expect.
There'll be two key themes. The one is the big hit to earnings that we've seen as a result of the coronavirus shutdowns, and that's going to take earnings growth down to its biggest slump since the GFC, probably a 21% or so fall. The other big theme will be a big cut to dividends. We've heard all about the banks cutting their dividends or putting them on hold for the time being, but other companies, I think, will also do the same.
So, Tom, the company reporting season continues this whole month, and the business team at Sky, we're lining up a lot of interviews with CEOs of our biggest companies, and that includes Horizon today. I'm speaking to the Chief Executive, Andrew Harding, at about 1 o'clock.